How to premiere a video in YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you guys can premiere a YouTube video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First, open up your YouTube and head over to YouTube Studio so you can start uploading a video. For that, tap on your profile icon on the top right and tap on your YouTube Studio. Then there we go. YouTube Studio should open up. And now what you can do is head over to the content option. And under content, you can see all of your videos. Now from here, you can choose a video from your draft. There you can see it's for draft. I can open this up. Let's tap on edit. And after you've opened up the video, what you'll actually need to do is if you don't have a draft, you can always upload a video. And after you've uploaded a video, you can then add in a title, give it a thumbnail, and after you give it a thumbnail, you can choose your playlist if you want. So on this audience, you can choose what you want. Then tap on the next button. After you tap on the next button, you will see more options again. So what you can do is, if you want, you can add an end screen. You can add cards, but let's just skip that. You can see the checks option. You can see there is no issue of the copyright. Tap on next again. And now when you're on the visibility section, then from here, select public. And also you can set it as an instant premiere if you want. If not, you can also schedule and premiere. So you can tap on the schedule option and then schedule the video's upload. So if you wanted to upload on some other date and time, you can change that, and you can don't forget to toggle this set as premiere button on here as well. And after that, finally you can tap on the schedule option. Then that's how you premiere a YouTube video, guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.